Welcome to lesson number 11. Letter I word said. Hello. First, let's listen for words that have the same beginning sound. Ready? Here we go. Do the words girl and leg start with the same beginning sound? No, they don't. Good job. Let's practice some rhyming. Let's listen for words that end with the same sounds. That means that they rhyme. Listen to these words, pig and big. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. Way to go. Now, let's listen for syllables in words. How many syllables do you hear in the word gone? Tap the syllables out on your fingers. Yes, the word gone has one syllable. Great work. Now, it's time to practice our letters and sounds. First, let's review our letters from earlier lessons. Please say the name of the letter. O. Great job. What sound does the letter O make? Aw. Good job. Say the name of this letter. G. Great job. What sound does the letter G make? G. Good job. Say the name of this letter. L. Great job. What sound does the letter L make? L. Great work. Now, let's learn our new letter for today. This is the letter I. These are the uppercase and lowercase I letters. I makes this sound. I. Listen for this sound in the word itch. Itch. Do you hear the sound in the beginning or end of the word? Yes, you hear the sound in the beginning of the word, itch. Good job. Let's say our new letter and sound again. I. The letter I makes this sound. I. Good job. Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go. Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Good work. Now let's listen to another sound and write the matching letter on the palm of our hand with our finger. Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Good work. Now let's listen to another sound and write the matching letter on the palm of our hand with our finger.
I.
Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Now, let's practice reading heart words that we have already learned. Is. Of. You.
The.
Now, let's learn a new heart word. Remember, a heart word is a word that we need to remember by heart because it doesn't follow our sound rules. Here is our heart word for today. Said. Let's use the word in a sentence. I said hello to you. Let's listen to the sounds in the word, said.
S. The.
How many sounds do you hear? You hear 3 sounds in the word said. Way to go! The first sound that we hear is made by the letter S that we have learned already. It follows sound rules. The next sound we hear is made by the letters A and I. This sound is usually made by the letter E, that we will learn in a later lesson. This does not follow sound rules. The last sound is made by the letter D. We will learn this letter in a later lesson and it follows sound rules. Let's read the word again. Said. Great work! Now that we know the name and sound of many letters, we can blend the sounds of those letters together to read new words. When we read, we make the sound of each letter in order from left to right and slowly blend the sounds together. Let's read more words.
S. I.
Great job! Now let's blend the sounds quickly together to read the word. Sit. Good job! Let's try to sound out another word.
I.
Great work! Now blend the sounds quickly. It. Let's read more words. Sat, sap, sip, pit, pot, top, tip. Great job! Let's read some sentences. The pot is it. You tip the pot. The pig sits. Wow, you are becoming a great reader. Now, let's practice writing sentences. Please make sure that you have a writing notebook and a pen or pencil for this activity. Remember, every sentence needs to start with an uppercase letter and end with a punctuation mark. Please write this sentence: I pat the pig. Remember to sound and tap out the words that aren't heart words. Great job today. Let's review today's letter, sound and word one more time. Here is our letter for today. I. And this is the sound that it makes.
I.
Here is our word for today. Said. Great work today. We hope to see you soon for our next lesson.